Before I begin, a few words that I would like to share. I want to thank the committee members of the Jubilee for not only inviting me, but also keeping this podium fit for me, for my friend Teshu, and for my young friend Dipu. If you are going to include in the program like us, please always keep like this. And if you are inviting like my big brother Sin Pao, then put a big, higher one somewhere also. Whenever I come across in any program with a podium this high, we always got irritated. I think the convener knows, because he's also our size. I congratulate all the AZSU leaders and judgment leaders for shouldering the responsibility of the student organizations, and I salute the founding members of both the student organizations. Some of them I know are still alive, and most of them have already gone ahead of us. I will always remember, and I think the entire Zeliangrong community should always remember their contributions and the visions that they have. My friend Dipu have mentioned all the important points that I have in mind. The Zeliangrong peoples inherits a vast land from Intanki to Kaubru in Manipur, from Intanki, Nagaland to Kaubru in Manipur, from Yangkulen to Kachar. Our forefathers have protected our land, preserved our land, and keep our land for the younger generations like us. But those days, even though our forefathers are not educated, they have a lot of difficulties to travel from one place to another, yet they keep the land from north to south, west to east, intact, protected, and preserved. But are we able to keep that land that our forefathers have handed down to us? This is a big question I think each one of us should ask ourselves. People who are called refugees are people once upon a time have their own land. They don't just fall from the sky as refugees. They are not just born as refugees from their parents, but they are the people who failed to take the right decision at the right time, forgetting that this world is full of challenges, that each one is been given the responsibility to protect our own land inherited down from our parents given by God. We fail our duty. Half of our lands is no longer our land. Losing our land the Zeliangrong lands means losing the Nagas land. And if we continue to ignore this and does not realize the threat that we're facing, you wouldn't be surprised that we will be also called someday a refuser. Turn out from one place to another and wander in this world till the end of the life. Today, I would like to say very, very boldly that our young people, in spite of acquiring very high education, we become more selfish. Most of us doesn't even have the knowledge from which place to which place belongs to us. And some of us even doesn't teach our children our own dialect, saying that knowing our dialect will go nowhere. When you cannot speak the dialect that you claim to belong, then who will say that you belong to such and such community? My friend Dipu was saying the necessity of having a common dialect. It is absolutely necessary. But till such time, whatever dialects we, our forefathers and our parents speak, we should let our young people have a full knowledge about all the dialects, as well as we should learn our dialect very well. I'm surprised that many Zeliangrong leaders who sits in a very high-ranking office, their children does not know how to speak the mother tongue.